Welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to learn how to draw different type or different shapes of flowers. There are lots of different shapes and different types of flower. Today you are going to see in this video. Small size flowers, simple size, and lots of different sizes of flowers you can draw. This is especially for the kids who are learning to draw flowers. Many shapes, different types of flowers. You can draw easily on your notebook, on your drawing book. Many sizes, many shapes, different petal shapes. Small size flowers. You can also draw rose. They are all very simple that you can draw easily on your drawing book, on your copy. So many different designs. Small size, large size. It is especially for the kids who are learning to draw flowers, that how to draw different types of flowers in a very easy way. This video will really help you to draw different type of flowers in many sizes. They are available in this video that you can try to draw. Some are very simple that you can easily draw. Practice again and again to draw flower. One by one you can try to draw all these flowers. To draw on your notebook, on your drawing book, on any other type of sheet. Some are in small size. Some flowers are in big size. Some are very simple. But some of them quite different. But practice makes you perfect. Draw again and again. And after drawing this, you can make them more attractive, more pretty by coloring them according to your choice. Simple flowers. Some are very simple that kids can draw easily. Most of them are very simple that kids can easily draw on your drawing book and notebooks. And you can make them more attractive by coloring them according to your choice. You know, flowers, bright colors attract everybody. Practice them again and again, draw again and again. Practice makes you perfect. When you draw again and again, you learn, you can draw better. There are lots of types of flowers with different shapes and sizes. Small small flowers, large size flowers, different sizes, different shapes. Like and subscribe my channel to get more such type of videos.